రికార్డ్ చేస్తాను.
అన్మ్యూటెడ్ అండ్ అటెండీస్ అండి.
లీవ్ ఇట్ నేను రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నాను.
ఓకే
మీరు నా స్క్రీన్ కనబడుతుందా లేదా?
కనపడుతుంది.
Okay, so who's the next one who joined? Okay, are you able to see, right? Hello? Hello? Hello, Prasad?
ఎస్ సార్.
యా, మీరు నా స్క్రీన్ కనబడుతుంది కదా మీకు?
ఎస్ అండి.
ఓకే ఓకే ఫైన్. సో ఈరోజు టుడే విల్ సీ హౌ ద ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మర్ కెన్ బి యూజ్డ్ టు రిమూవ్ ద డూప్లికేట్స్ and how the transformer can be used to generate the unique number. The unique numbers. So this is the most important concept in the transformer. So transformer execution, how the transformer execution happens is, so first the stage variables will be executed, then the looping variables, then the constraints, and then the derivations. So these are the 4 points which are present in the transformer, and this is the way the transformer will be executed. Now whenever we have, suppose we have 10 rows which are coming from the source. Now for all these 10 rows, for each and every row, this first the stage variable will get executed, next the looping variable will get executed, next the constraints will get executed, and then next the derivation will get executed. So for each and every row, these 4 properties will get executed. It's not something that at a time 10 rows will come and then the 10 rows only one time it will get executed. No. So you mean, so 10 times all this process will get executed. Okay. So that is a point over in the transformer. So let's see how to remove the duplicate. So for example, you are getting the data something like this. Now I want to just get only 10 and 20. How to remove it? By using the transformer. That is first thing. Second thing is, I have data like this 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I want to add a unique number generated 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this it keep on needs to be incremented as many rows it is coming. So how to do this stuff? Okay, so here we have a concept called stage variables. So using the stage variables only we need to implement all these examples. So how to do that? So till the time it gets connected, we'll see. So how to do that? So first the input link you are getting 10, 20, 30 and 40. So this is the input which you are getting. What did I said? For each and every row, these 4 properties will be executed. That's what I told you, right? So let's take an example. So 10 is coming. So first time the 10 is coming. Now what we did is we have created two stage variables. So in the stage variables window we have created two stage variables. One is stg1 and another one is stg2. Okay. Now stg1 is nothing but what we're going to write down here, we'll see. So what we need to do, so we need to say whenever the input record is coming, just increment it. Okay. So the first input record is coming, then just increment it. Now the next time when the new record is coming, whatever the previous value is there, just increment by another one. So first time 10 is coming, so you want the output as 10 along with that 1. Now how to get this 1? How to get this 1? So this one you can get it by adding something, right? So if you want to add, so you will be adding something like this. So 0 plus 1. So it will come as 1, right? So adding plus 1 is constant. This plus 1 is constant. Now where did you get this 0? So where did you get this 0? From where you have got this 0? So the 0 which you have got is you have assigned the value 0 to the stage 2. You have assigned the value 0 to stage 2, or you have assigned the value, initial value for the stage 1, the initial value is 0. The stage 1 initial value is 0. So instead of writing down the 0, I can write down stage 1 plus 1, and which I am putting down again back into the stage 1 itself. So what happens? So when the 10 record is coming, it will execute 0 plus 1, it is 1, and the 1 will go and sit in the stage 1. Are you clear with this point?
Yes,
Sorry, who is that?
yes, sir.
Okay, who is the other one joined? Okay. So Prasad, you are clear with this point, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, do you think the stage 2 is required now?
In order to hold the increment to 0 plus 1,
No, now it's not required, right? Because I have
it need
given the
not be.
stage 1 as initial value
It is not
0,
required.
and now it's just 0 plus 1. First time 1 will come, then the second time when it
It
comes,
goes on
so
increment.
stage 1 is there 1, 1 plus 1, 2. And the third time when it comes, 2 plus 1, 3. Like that it will keep on incrementing. Right?
Yes, got it.
Okay. So this is the stage variable concept. So once you see the stage variables, then you will clearly understand. So let me open that. So it got open. And let's go inside. So you have files. So let's take input, transformer input. The data is 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay. Now let's go to the job. New parallel job. Save it and make the name as transformer. So first you get the file, then you go and get the transformer. After that you again get the target file. Okay. Now use the source txinp.txt slash txinp.txt. Now you give just only one column, that is ID, and integer label. No. Okay. So this is what you have, and you have given the data, the properties and everything. So once you view the data, you should view the data 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Clear. Now press OK. Now go to the transformer. So here if you see, these are the properties: stage variables, loop condition, constraint, and then derivation. Now if you click on the stage variables, okay, so right click and insert new stage variable. So once you insert it like this, you will get it. Otherwise, you can click this one, the stage properties, and you can go to the stage variables. Okay, now this is the window where you can also add the stage variables, or you can add it from here itself. Okay, so now what you need to write down, so where you need to put the initial value, so just if you go here, so the initial value which is present here, just put it as 0. Now when you put it as 0, the data type should be integer. So 0 and integer. Now what you need to do, you just need to write down, so right click and get the stage variable. So stage var plus 1. So what is happening? When the first time the first time the record comes, it will be 0 plus 1. And the next time the record comes, it will be 1 plus 1. So like that it will keep on incrementing. So just go and see. And for the second column, you just drag. So create the another one saying that S key. Okay. And make it as an integer. For this S key, get the value. For this S key, get the value from the stage variable. So it's very simple. So what did I have done? I have just created one stage variable and I have assigned a value 0, initial value, and then I just incremented with the 1. Then it will be like 0 plus 1. Now for every time the record value will be keep on incrementing. For each and every record, the transformer will get executed. Now when you see to the target tx out, I'm just compiling. And once I run, you'll see the. So 5 records. In 5 records you have got it. Now you just go and see the transformer output. So you can see 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So what is the reason behind why you are getting 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3? Any reason? The reason is the as we are running on the 2 node, these 5 records have got splitted into the 2 nodes. So one node is having 2 records and another node is having 3 records. So that's the reason when the transformer is executing, so for the first 2 records it has given 1, 2, and the other 3 records it has given 1, 2, 3 because of the node configuration. So whenever you are doing these incremental operations or something from the stage variables, you always try to execute the transformer in a sequential. So how to execute in a sequential? Go to the advanced and put it down into the sequential. So don't run parallelly. So if you run parallelly, then the transformer will be splitted amongst the two nodes and it will execute. So now when you keep it as a sequential, now you see the data will be run sequentially, so it will assign the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమవుతుంది కదా?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
But it's said that transformer stage has to be avoided at a maximum. Is it right, sir?
right, because it's an overhead stage. Okay. See, you have to avoid maximum means multiple transformations, multiple transformers you should not use. But if there is a
Okay.
situation where you need to use a single transformer, you have to use. You can't help it out, right?
Yes. It's better to use a transformer stage rather than a circuit key, I think.
Sorry.
Circuit key stage is much difficult than transformer stage for generating the sequence numbers.
No, but the thing is, no, it's not like that. So when you run it again, it will come again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. You are not storing somewhere, right? Are you storing it somewhere?
No.
Then, so this is not a surrogate key generator. This is just a sequence number which you are giving to the
Sequence of.
for every source. Whatever the source records which you are getting, to just give that. Okay.
Yes.
So surrogate key is different, because if you generate the surrogate key, what does that mean? Next time when the new records are coming, it should be from the last value implemented. It's not something that you should get again from the beginning. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's see. My input got changed now. My input is coming 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so this is what my input is. Now I just want only the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I don't want the duplicates. How would you do with the transformer? Can you just tell me? Any idea? With the variables concept?
The stage variable 0.
Okay. So you are getting this in, this is input, right? This is as an input you are just getting. Okay. So you are getting this as an input. Now what you need to do is, first you need to use sort. So sort it. Now the output will come as 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50. Okay. So once you sort, you will get this output. Clear? Till this
Yes, sir.
point clear? Now what you need to do is you connect to the transformer. Now what did I said? I said for the first record, all the four things will get executed. Okay. So for the first record, the stage variable will execute, the constants will execute, then the derivation will execute. Okay. Now let's come to the stage variable. First you come to the stage variable. Now what I am thinking is how to do the how to remove the duplicates. So I have a plan saying that if I assign some value to the groups, so 10 is a one group, 20 is one group, 30 is one group, 40 is one group, right? If I assign the value saying that okay, 10 start with 1, and if it is same, so just give incrementing 2. Now when it is different, 20 is a new group, start with 1. If it is same, just increment it. 30 is same, I mean different, start with 1. 30 is different, increment it. 40 is different and 40 is same, increment it. 50 is different. So if I keep like this, if I get a values like this, somehow if I form the values like this, then I can do
And then you use a filter.
just a constraint. In the transformer itself there is a constraint. No need to go
Okay.
for the filter. In the
Filter,
constraint
yes.
itself you just need to keep where this field is equal to 1. That's all. You will get all ones values. Understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Now how to get this 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1? So what I mean to say is, for each group start with the 1 and keep on incrementing till the values are same. Okay? How to do that? So let's see.
I think we need to use, okay. We
So
need to use two stage variables.
so here how are you getting 1 and 2? And again it needs to be changed when the value is getting changed, right? So which means that there
Yes,
should be
it
some
will.
comparison, you need to do it, right or wrong? You need to do some comparison. So how to do that comparison? So I will write down. So if the input value which is coming, the input value means what is that which is come, what is the value which is coming?
10.
10. If input value is coming, okay, 10 which is coming is equal to, okay, is equal to, I will have some other
Stage
stage
variable.
variable, stage 1. Okay. So if the input is equal to the stage 1, is it gonna match for the first time?
Yeah.
Is it gonna match for the first time? 10 is equal to the stage 1.
Yes.
How? How it is matching?
The first value you are assigning to the stage variable 1, right?
This is condition I am doing.
No.
I am doing a
Okay,
condition.
okay. Sorry. I
If
lost you. Sorry.
input
Okay.
value is equal to the stage 1, so input value is 10 and the stage 1 value is nothing because I haven't assigned anything to
Okay.
the stage 1.
Anything. Okay.
So is it matching?
No, it's not matching.
It's not matching, right? This is a condition where input is equal to the stage 1 and it is not matching, then you will go to the else directly, right? So if it is not matching, then it will go to the else only, right? Hello?
Can you come again? Sorry.
If it is not matching, where it should go? Will it go to the then or it will go to the else?
It's not matching. Then go to else. Then condition.
Eh? You
Not
know,
equal
you
to.
know if then else?
Yes, yes.
What is that?
If the input value is not matching to the stage variable, go to one condition, else go to another condition.
What is that? If the condition is true, where it will go?
Then,
If here is the condition is true,
no, false.
that is what, where it will go?
Else condition.
Else condition. So what value you want?
1.
1. Good. So you have got 10 1. So this one you have achieved,
Yes.
right?
Now
Right or wrong?
for the, yes, sir.
So 10 is coming as an input and you are checking with the stage 1 variable which is not having anything, and so it has
Anything.
not matched, so it went to the else, so it is 1. Now
Okay.
what value you will assign it to the stage 1 then?
The initial first value.
So the stage 1 you will assign the input value.
Yes, first input
Okay.
value.
So
Yeah.
for the 10, this first one is getting executed and you have got the 1, and the stage 1 you have added, I mean assigned the input value. Now the stage 1 will have 10.
10. Now
Now the
10
second
equal to
time when it
10.
executes, if input of 10 which is coming again, the second input is coming 10 only, right?
Yes.
So is it equals to
Matching.
the stage 1?
Yes.
So stage 1 is having 10 because earlier you assigned
10.
it to the 10, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
it is matching. Then what you need to do? It is true.
10
Then
equal to
it will go to
10.
the 10. Then
Then condition
hmm, what you need to do? Increment by 1, right?
increment to increment value. Yes.
Because for the same values you need to keep on incrementing. So you have to do 1 plus 1, right?
Yeah.
Now 1 already you have got it in the stage variable. Suppose this stage variable name is stg var.
Okay.
Okay. Now you already got the stage var as 1. So instead of this 1 I can use stage var, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I just write down the like this. If input is equal to the stage 1, if it is true, then stage var plus 1, else 1.
One. Yeah.
Now stage 1 is again input. So what value it will store? It will store 10 only. Right?
Yes.
So now here you have got 2. Now next time when you get for 20, so input which is coming as 20. If
20.
input that is 20
20
is equal
equal
to
to stage var
stage variable. What is the value which is present in the stage variable? Stage 1,
10.
10. Is it true?
False.
False. So it will go
Yes.
to the else. So else is 1. So you have got 1. Right? So
Yes.
20 you have got 1. So next time. So stage 1 which is what is the value in the stage 1?
20.
Stage 1 you will assign it to the input. So which is nothing but 20 you have assigned. So next time if 20 is equal to 20 only
Input value.
because both are having 20s, then so you
Then
did
condition
stage var plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 2.
2.
Clear?
Yes.
So if this is the condition which I use, then I will get automatically 1 2 1 2 1 2 and everything. So once I get this output, then I just need to put a constraint saying that this stage variable which you have got, the stage var is just equal to 1. So if I put this condition, then automatically all ones will flow into the target. So let's see. So this is the input which I am getting. I will go here and I will just write down if right click get the input column, that is id, is equal to create another stage variable stage 1, then is you don't know, so what is the stage variable you have assigned now? That is the stage variable stage var plus 1 else 1. So stg1 is another variable which you need to create. So go here, go to the stage variables and create stg1, and this is also an integer because your the id is integer. Now assign the id to this. Sir, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Good.
So now for every row it will keep on checking the condition first and then it will assign the value. Now it will just, now here in the constraints just go there, the constraints, just double click, get the stage variable and write down stage var is equal to, so for 2 3 and 4 it will not execute, only for once only this will execute and this one value will get assigned, right?
Right.
So you see the input how many rows you will be having, just view it. So we didn't sort, so that's the most important thing which you need to do it, otherwise the comparison will not happen properly, right or wrong?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So this is what you are getting. So just sort it before you connect to the transformer. Put it as ascending. And here instead of DS link 3, just make it as the link which is coming it as 7. So DS link dot in ID. So that is what it says. So instead of DS link 3, it's coming as 7. Clear, sir? Just press OK, compile.
Yes, sir.
Now, from 9 rows, you have got only the 5 rows. Okay?
Yeah.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All the ones. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So, now I don't want to keep this advanced as sequential because I'm not assigning anything. So, just let's see how it behaves. So, I have got 5 rows. So, 10, 20, 30, 40. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So, this is what the transformer. Now, you tell me how would you write down for this. So, I have 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 20, 30. Now, I want values like this. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So this is what I need.
Okay.
And next one, next assignment is I want 1, 2, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you know. So let's keep like this. So 1, 1, 1. So from the next time it should start from 4, 4, 4. Next time it should start from 6, 6, 6. Think about it.
Yes, sir.
Any idea?
Same, stage 1 equal to input 2.
So 3 tens, 3 20s, 3 30s. So you need to just give for each 10 the same value should be populated, and when the value is changing, new value and again the same value. So just think. It's very simple. Earlier how we have done, just the reverse. So for example, if input is coming, that is 10, and you are matching with what? Another stage variable,
10.
stage 1. Okay, now is it match?
No, it's not matching.
It's not matching, so else go to the else and keep it as 1.
1.
Okay,
Now,
okay.
if it's
Now,
matching, 1.
now if it is matching, so next time you will assign the stage 1 as input only, right?
Yes.
Now next time it will match 10 equals to 10, it will match,
Then equal
then it should go as 1 only.
true as well. Yes.
So instead of writing down 1, then I can write down this stage variable, right?
Same stage variable. Yes.
So stg var, if it is that, then I will write down the stage variable. So instead of writing down 1, so else is, you have hard-coded else as 1 only. Okay,
Okay.
now again 10 equals to 10 is 1.
Yes.
Okay, so for all threes, for all 3 tens you have got 1. That is true.
1. Yes.
Now 20 equals to 10.
False.
So false.
Else
If you go
condition.
to the else, now what you need to do?
Stage variable plus 1.
So you need to increment plus 1, right?
Yes.
So it will be something like, so 1 you have got, then you need to increment it to the plus 1. So you are saying that stage variable plus 1, right? Stage variable plus 1, which is true.
Plus 1.
But what if for the first time, what will be the value here?
That will be stage variable 0.
So stage variable should be
20.
stage variable. This stage variable should be for the first time.
For the first time, it should be 1.
It should be 1. How it will come 1?
Because in the else condition, we have already specified as 1.
You can't write for each and every input row single condition, right? You should write a generic condition.
Yeah.
So the generic condition is, if input is equal to the stage 1, then stage variable, else stage variable plus 1.
Plus.
If input is equal to stage 1, then stage var, else stage var plus 1.
Stage 1 plus 1.
Right? So this is what the generic condition. Now 10 equals to the stage, now stage 1 should assign input. Next value is stage 1 should be assigned as an input. Now 10 equals to stage variable. Is there any value? Nothing. 10 equals to null. Where it will go? Prasad.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Is this fine now?
Yeah.
So 10 equals to null. Where it will go?
Else condition.
Why null? Why I am saying null?
Because
because for the first time stage 1 is not having any value.
yeah.
After this condition executes, then the stage 1 will have the value, right?
Yes, yes.
So for the first time the stage 1 is not having any value, so that's the reason 10 equals to null. So where it will go? It will go to the else.
Else condition.
So we said we need to get 1, right?
Yeah.
But we are writing down stage variable plus 1. So what do you mean by that? So what value the stage variable should have? In order to get 1, what value it should have?
0.
Absolutely. So the initial value of stage variable should be 0.
0.
Clear?
Okay.
Initial value should be 0, so that for the first time 0 plus 1, so you will get
Plus 1.
1.
1.
Okay, so the next time 10 equals to 10, then stage var means you
Okay.
have already got 1, so it will be
1.
again 1. Now the third time 10 equals to 10 again, so it will be 1.
Stage
Now the
variable.
fourth time 20 equals to 10, so the
False.
it goes to the else, so stage var is having 1,
Stage variable
1 plus
plus
1
1
2.
is 2.
Is it simple or not?
Yes, sir.
So just you need to apply little bit of sense, okay, logic sense.
Yeah.
So here how to get this one? So till 1 you are fine,
Yes.
right? So after that
Yeah.
you need to increment by,
2.
is it 2 or 3?
1 plus 3. Four, five, 6. Because from the 30 it's 6, right? So it should be plus 2.
Then 1 plus 3, right? So don't do like that, okay? So you should do, what you need to do is, whenever any input row is coming, you just increment that row.
Okay.
Now what happened? When you are
Oh,
incrementing,
one.
just combine these two so that you will get 4. Okay?
Okay.
Now 4. So
4.
you need to combine only when there is a mismatch.
Okay.
Okay?
Mhm.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 1. Okay, just keep it as 3 plus 1 here.
That's right. Okay.
Next time it will be 4, 5. Okay, so this should become as 7, 7, 7.
That is around 7. So 6 plus 1
So it will be 6. Now you add it
plus
here plus 1. So it will be 7, 7. So sorry, 7, 8. Clear? So wherever there is a mismatch, just add it so that it will turn into the next value 7. Wherever there is a mismatch, just add it. It will turn to the next value. Clear?
yes.
Shall I do this, or you will try and get back to me tomorrow?
I will get back.
Yeah. So
I will
get
get
back to me on this tomorrow. So the transformers are completed. So we'll see more assignments. Then tomorrow and after tomorrow we'll complete the sequences. Then we can
sure.
wrap it up. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks. Have a nice day.
Yes,
Bye-bye.
same to you.